Alright, we're going to mark out now for our cooktop. So we've found our centre line in between our drawer unit, and we've marked out either side of where the actual cooktop's going to go. Okay, then we're going to put masking tape around the bench top, and then that way we can finish off doing our pencil marking for the cutout. So we've got the cooktop marked out, ready to cut out. We just pop it on just to make sure that it looks alright. Always double check your measurements before you actually start cutting. With your actual cooktop, more often than not, with your actual cooktop, you will get instructions on what the cutout width and length is. Okay, we just drill the holes in the corner, and now we're ready to jigsaw out our top. Our cooktop cutout is now done.